What's up, Faithpreneur? Stephanie Mays here with SMays Designs with your brand in mind. And today is Web Wednesday, which means I'll be sharing insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers. So today I'll be talking about the importance of keeping your website up to date and some things that you can start doing now in order to get the most out of your website. The lifespan of a website is generally 2 to 3 years, and at the rate at which technology advances, by the time you're watching this video, it could possibly be even less. But fortunately, you can expand the lifespan of your website and get the most out of your investment by simply keeping your website up to date. Having an updated website helps to increase trustworthiness. If your website is outdated, then it shows your site visitors that you may be uninformed, and it diminishes your credibility as a reliable source of accurate information. Now, this is a red flag to users, and they will stay far away from your website. If you make any major changes in your business or even small changes in operations that may affect your customers, then you definitely want to make sure that you make updates to your website that reflect those changes and gives your customers a clear explanation. Keeping your site up to date helps to protect your site from hackers. Outdated plugins and applications make your site more vulnerable to attacks that can lead to costly website repairs. Keeping your site updated also helps with search engine optimization, or SEO. Search engines love new content, and it helps to determine the quality of your website. So one of the major steps that you can take to extend the lifespan of your website is to make sure that your content is up to date. Content means images, videos, and written text. The good thing is you don't necessarily have to create all new content. So you don't have to go back and get all the articles that you've written and delete them and start all over again. No, you can simply update existing content by switching up keywords, by rewording or adding information, by adding links to relative information and content. You can correct grammar and spelling errors that you may have missed initially, and you can even change up the publishing dates for articles, of course, after you have made that information current. Now, I would suggest visiting your website as if you were one of your customers and just try to fulfill a general task. You want to make sure that you visit each page and make sure everything is working properly. You want to make sure that there's a clear understanding of what you're supposed to do on those pages, how to do it, and of course, how easy it is to accomplish that task. Now, if you don't think that you have enough time, or you don't have the patience, or maybe you don't feel like you could give an unbiased analysis of your website, then it's probably best to hire someone else to do it for you. Now, this is called a website audit, and it is important to do because it helps to maintain accurate information, a professional image, and brand alignment. Now, this is something that you want to do yearly, and for industries that may experience a lot of changes throughout the year, probably quarterly would be more sufficient. But of course, if you experience a whole lot of substantial changes, then it's probably best to just get a new website. Overall, keeping your website up to date will help you to get the most out of your investment, draw more and new traffic to your website, help you to maintain credibility and a professional image, and protect your investment from hackers. Well, that concludes my Web Wednesday topic for today. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Be blessed.